the side truth about the Antichrist, like you've never known it before. From deception to destruction. It's a topic that has captured imaginations and fueled fears for centuries. However, the Bible offers a clear understanding, a perspective, not steeped in sensationalism or paranoia, but in truth and hope. The Antichrist, a name whispered with fear, shrouded in mystery, is the figure who embodies everything we fear: deception, oppression, and the destruction of all that is good. But is the Antichrist just a figure of our imagination, a symbol of our deepest fears, or is he a real or present danger destined to rise in our time? The Bible offers us a glimpse into this mystery, a perspective that can help us understand the Antichrist, not as a force to be feared, but as a reality to be confronted with truth and faith. But even in the face of deception and darkness, the Bible speaks of a powerful and enduring truth. God's love and power are greater than any evil. Let's explore this mystery together, guided by God's Word, and discover the hope that shines through even the darkest of times. Then I saw a beast rising out of the sea, with 10 horns and 7 heads, with 10 diadems on its horns, and blasphemous names on its heads. Revelation 13 verse 1. And he was given a mouth speaking great things and blasphemies, and he was given authority to act for 42 months. Revelation 13 verse 5. And all who dwell on earth will worship him, everyone whose name has not been written from the foundation of the world in the book of life of the Lamb who was slain. Revelation 13 verse 8. And another beast came out of the earth, and it had 2 horns like a lamb, and it spoke like a dragon. Revelation 13 verse 11. These verses paint the picture of a world gripped by deception and darkness. The Antichrist rule will be a time of great upheaval and persecution. But even in the face of this adversity, God's Word offers a message of hope and resilience. We're not meant to be consumed by fear, but empowered by faith. God's Word is our compass, guiding us through the storms of life. It tells us that even in the darkest of times, God is with us, and His love will never abandon us. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. He is more powerful than any evil, and His love is stronger than any darkness. We can trust in His plan, in His ultimate victory over evil. The Antichrist may appear as a formidable adversary, but he is only a temporary force, a pawn in a much greater hit story. God's kingdom will ultimately prevail, and His love will forever triumph over darkness. Even as we face the reality of evil and deception, God's Word offers a beacon of hope. We are not left alone to navigate the darkness. We are called to be light in the world, reflecting God's love and truth, even in the darkest of times. God's Word is our guiding us through complexities of life. It reminds us that true strength lies not in fear or power, but in love and compassion. God's Word reminds us that love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it does not dishonor others, it is only not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. 1 Corinthians 13, verse 4-5. Let us remember that God's love is the greatest power in the universe. It is the power that conquers fear, transforms hearts, and brings hope to the world. God's kingdom will come and His will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Let us walk with faith and hope, knowing that God's love is the ultimate victory.